Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website. You can add many backlink in this website. So watch the full video. The website has domain authority 66 and page authority 58 and the website age is 8 years. To add backlink in this website, firstly go to vingle.net, then click on login, then click on sign up, then click on sign up with email. You can add many backlink in this website. Put your email address and password, then click on next. Now click on sign up. They send a verification email, so check your email and verify it. Confirm your account. Now your email is verified. Now click on write a card. Now put your title here. Write any keyword. Then put a description here, your website description or business description. Then copy your URL, website URL, then select the keyword, then click on the link and insert your URL here, then click on done. This way you can add backlink in this website. You can write many cards and you can add many backlink in this website. Now click on OK. Now give your tag here. Give a hashtag here. My website is related to software and outsourcing. If you don't find any tag, then delete it. Delete the tag. Then click on post. Then click on post. Now your backlink is added here. Now if I click on the link, it will redirect to my website. You can write many cards and you can add many backlink in this website. The website has high DAP, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. This way you can add backlink in this website. You can write many cards and you can add many backlink. If you need any backlink service, then knock me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. Also, you'll find my WhatsApp number in my video description. So check my video description. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need any service, then knock me on my WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video and please like my video.